I got a cable from New York City that my secretary had dropped dead. It was a hot August day, and they had found the body on the floor, where he had died of a heart attack. I went back and took care of his funeral. He was a Catholic, and I gave him a good Catholic funeral in Haverstraw, New York. 6 months later, I find myself in the world where he is. I am fully aware and fully conscious. I know that Jack died 6 months ago. I meet my sister-in-law, who always said to me, "I like you as a brother-in-law because you are very kind to my sister and to your child, which is my niece, but I don't believe one word of what you talk about. I don't believe you at all." At that moment, here is my former and now departed secretary, Jack Butler, and I said to my sister-in-law, her name is Alice. I said, so you don't believe what I teach, you don't believe in survival because you always said, I am a good Christian, but you survive only through the loins of your parents, and you perpetuate yourself in that manner. I said, how can you be a good Christian and tell that? Christianity is based upon the foundation stone of the fatherhood of God, the brotherhood of man, and you tell me now that there is no such thing as survival? Life everlasting is the third stone of the great foundation stone of Christianity, the fatherhood of God, the brotherhood of man, and life everlasting. She said, I still don't believe what you teach. I said to her, then, look at Jack. She said to me, what has that to do with it? I said, don't you know that Jack died, and her face blanched. She knew Jack had died. I said, all right, there he is. He's alive, isn't he? And Jack said to me, who died? I said, Jack, you died. I went to your funeral. I buried you. I got a good Catholic funeral for you in Haverstraw, New York, and put you all the way down and covered you up with a lot of sand, and that's where that body was, and still is decaying now. He said, who is dead? I said, you aren't dead, Jack, but you died. He said, how stupid. I'm not dead, but I died? Jack had been gone 6 months and did not realize he had gone. People do not change, I'm telling you. They haven't any concept, because they are still dreaming. You are dreaming this world, and you are dreaming that world, too. You only awaken when, within your own skull, you become awake, and you are born from above.